Good morning everyone, welcome to a new studio vlog. So today is June 13th. I still need to record this month's exclusive video that's going to be a tutorial about how to draw dynamic poses. I am currently writing down some notes for it. I always do that before recording the actual tutorial so that I know what to talk about. And something exciting, I have to go to IKEA to pick up my new desk. But first, cappuccino.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up.
So the desk is here. What are you doing on my desk? And some drawers for the desk, and I got some cables too, like charging station and stuff. And I'm gonna mount everything now.
Without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. Stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go. We have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Come see me out.
And here she is. How pretty it is! It's super bright here because it's under the window. Okay, I'm done here for now. I'm now going to take the pup for a walk, and then I'm gonna have my lunch. Andiamo fuori? Sì? Andiamo fuori? I'm cooking some noodles and rice cakes, and I have no idea whether or not I'm doing it right because the instructions stated to use a microwave, but I don't have one. I got these jasmine essential oil drops, and I want to try them with my diffuser. Let's see how they smell. currently writing down some notes for the tutorial about dynamic poses that I'm gonna film tomorrow or in 2 days at most. And the puppy is asleep. Or was. Time to start filming the video tutorial for this month. And this is my setup. I have my iPad, my computer with my notes, and my tripod where I'm going to attach my camera here. Hey guys, it's been a while. Today is Wednesday, I believe. Yes. I have just yesterday night, I finished editing this month's exclusive video that is a tutorial about dynamic poses, and I have just posted it on my Patreon. So now I'm gonna focus on working on the goodie bags. This is the A6 print that I want to color traditionally, so I just designed a color palette for it on my iPad, and then I'm gonna transfer the sketch onto my sheet of paper, and I'm gonna color it with watercolors and gouache and color pencils. Here's the first sticker design. It's a sort of bottle with a door in it, because this month's practices topic is about doors and portals. And I'm working on the other sticker design, still a door inside a sort of turnip. Andiamo a fare un giro? Andiamo? This is the sketch for the A6 print, the mini print, and I am now going to transfer it onto paper by using my iPad as a light box. And in the meantime, I'm watching the new Patreon video by Sarah Faber. I got a lot of questions about the kind of paper that I use for my traditional drawings. It's a paper from Fabriano, and it's hot pressed. I've tried out 3 or 4 other papers already, and this one is by far my favorite. Okay, this is the final result. I've used the blue pencil instead of the red one because I have my color palette here and the colors are mainly cold colors. So I think the blue pencil will behave better when I put down watercolors and color pencils. I'm currently on a rewatch of 13 Reasons Why, which is one of my favorite TV shows ever.
Talks about being lost for good.
I'm almost done working on the traditional piece with colored pencils. I've used watercolors and color pencils, and next step is going to be to use gouache and Posca pens to add details. So this is where I've gotten. I'm gonna need to add a lot more details around this and also on the colored pencils. Now I'm gonna go out with a few friends to have some drinks and chat a bit. Hey everyone, it's Thursday today. I went on my morning walk with Mocha. We usually go out at around 8:30 a.m. and we get back at around 9:30. My plan for the day is to finish the traditional drawing that I've been working on and also finish working on one of the two stickers so that I can post a time-lapse and a layered file of it. Just wanted to quickly show you the results. This is going to be June's print reward for my patrons that pledged to the blueberries tier. Gonna give you a close-up too because the texture is kind of amazing.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know
Okay guys, this was the end of the vlog. Look, it's here. I'm gonna get some groceries now and then I'm gonna go for a run. As always, thank you so much to my patrons for supporting me and my work. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys!
Moving on like before.